Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be drawing the Adidas logo. So as you know that it is a sort of a flower shape that sits atop some straight lettering. So what we'll do is, to do the lettering, we are going to put down a box like this. Now this is, you could use a ruler if you want to make it very accurate. We are having fun, so I'm using freehand. So that will contain the letters. I will actually bring it down a little bit. So more rectangular, wider and less tall. And then right around there, instead I will put down a bowl shape. So you could go back and forth like this. Again, all rough strokes, and put in a cutoff sort of somewhere there. I think we'll actually do so, straighter cutoff there. So it is a bowl shape essentially. So the idea is that we are going to sketch the letters out first, and then we will go toward our logo. So to proportion the letters, the best thing is, so 6 letters, 1, 2, 3, because that's an I. That's 4, 5, and 6. So if it moves here and there, it's okay. So I'm going to start circle. That's the A. And then we come with the B. We will do the same thing with an I. We're just putting one dimension of each letter there. I brought that circle like right down actually, but it's okay because we're going to still use that bottom line. And again, and then of course the most challenging of all is our S. So you could do it like this, like do, and then come along and just put that down. So we'll come back to these in a second. We're going to now determine a midpoint somewhere. So middle point, this is essentially, I think it's a lotus, but it is a leaf or a flower in either case. So one of the most recognizable brands in the world. And so next is, we're going to put down the middle leaf. So just 2 ovals, 2 halves, domes, 2 domes on either side of the line, and then you could keep on making it more streamlined as you go along. And then right from there, but a little apart, is the next one. So you have the line going here. So now these are placed, I'm pretty sure, a little lower. At the same time, I also know that you have to maintain that roundness, so you'll just work your way to make it even on both sides, or as even as you can, because again, after all, we are just putting in a quick fun exercise here. So and that is the general idea of getting in that quick sketch. And then if I could grab me a marker, I'll just finish this off. Got that it has 3 lines that go through it, so we'll determine those in a second. So 1 S. So we have to remember that there's like 2 chunks cut out. So in our case, the cutout chunks are these here. So how we will go about it next is, as I had said, that we will just grab a marker. So I'm going all over the place. You do not necessarily need to do that. You could go from top to bottom, that is or from the bottom to the top. That is the best practice when putting down a shape or a logo like the Adidas logo. So once we have that put down, we're going to right around again. It won't be very straight, but that is okay, because if it is a quick sketch, it is a quick sketch, and I roughed up the D there a little bit. That's fine. The whole point is to make it as quick as possible. So Adidas logo, the main focus is of course the 3 leaves. Genius creation in terms of imagery. Please do try it out. It's a lot of fun and could actually be essential practice in laying out similar objects side by side and going and letting some cuts run right through them. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.